Went for a nice motorbike ride the other night, low sun, country lanes, and realised I couldn't see a thing through the visor. Got home and had a good look at it, and I discovered that the anti-fog coating had degraded, but I'd had it probably 15 years. Tried scraping it off, tried polish, even tried compound. No effect at all. In fact, it's just terrible now. So the time had come for replacement. Went online, couldn't actually find a video describing how to do it for my particular helmet, which is a K-Berg Justissimo or Justissimo GT, but the obvious thing you have to do is take off this side panel to get to the clip that actually holds the visor. It's quite scary pulling it off, needs a fair bit of force, but in fact that's because there are these clips here holding it. The bottom edge got a couple of clips there, so you actually have to pull it slightly downwards first to get that back end off, and then just gently pop it off. I'll see if I can do this side. Let's hope it doesn't break this time. So fingers under there, slightly outwards and upwards like so, and then just gently try and pull these clips out. Oh, and there you go, it came out. So once you've actually got that off, you've got this here which has got a lever. Check the position of the lever. As far as I understand it, you slide this round like so. You can pop this off, and then oh, it comes off just like that. So obviously putting it back together, which I'll show you in a bit because I've ordered a new one, which should be here in a few days. I'll show you in a bit how the new one goes on. That was easier than I thought. Right, so here's the new visor all the way from Germany. 44 euros. Let's hope it's in good nick in here. It's well protected. It's going to be a real joy having a nice new visor, because there was one or two little scratches on the other one, and I tell you what, I'm going to be very careful with this one. Going to keep it in the bag like you're supposed to. So, new visor. Oh, look at that. What a joy that is. Right, so how does it go on? Right, well, I'll show you again, taking off the old one. There's a lever here. It's actually marked R for, no doubt, R for right. That is R for richtig, right. L for left. Slide this lever round to there, and then this will pop off, and then this just pops off this side. You'll note actually I've got an anti-glare strip along the top of this one. Likewise on this side, slide it round, pop it off. Actually that separates, as I've just discovered. Pop it off. I'm probably going to peel this strip off and put it on the other one because it is quite useful when it's bright sun. I can do that later. Right, stop rambling, let's get on. So handling this precious new visor really carefully. Put it on again, that side. Whoa, be careful, God, I'm so worried about damaging it. Put it on here. Put on, whoops, this bit. Now which way does that go? That's going to go, yeah, that way. It's going to go that way. Put on this bit. It goes in. Slide up. Yeah, that's going to work. Turn around, do the other side. I'll see if I can come in closer for this. Right, so that goes on like so. Oh, it's tight. Don't know why it's tight. Oh, it's a good fit. Right. Should have put a towel on there. I should have put a towel on there to stop it slipping. Hold on. That's better. Top tip, put a towel on there. Yeah, put a towel underneath to stop it slipping. Okay, so having got that on, this will go like so, and then the lever will go like so, and with luck, zoom out. With luck, whoa, what do you know? Oh, look at that lovely shiny, wow, what a joy that is. Okay, so there you go. And then of course next step is to put the side panels back on, which is just going to be a question of pushing in the clips. While I've got it off, I'll examine that. That looks okay. Seal's okay. Oh, of course there isn't one that side. Give this a little bit of a check. Incidentally, I noticed the screw was loose on that. I'll do that up with a crosshead screwdriver before I do that. Oh yeah, that's better. I wonder why that wasn't working properly. Not too tight, it's plastic. Right, so all working beautifully. Side panels. So side panel 1. Yeah, okay. Well, they are tight clips. That's it. Actually, top one first. Oh, that doesn't want to go. That's got it, and that's got the bottom edge, right. Okay, we're getting there. Other side panel. Top edge first. In. Have a look, that is in the right, exactly right place. In and in. Sorted. Looks like a brand new helmet now. Well, actually this has got an anti-fog coating too. I didn't realise it had it, and they still fog. So everything working and looking good. I hope you found that helpful. Couple of motorbike things on my channel, including a bit of motorcycle vlogging tests with a camera, 1 or 2 cameras that I've tested. In fact, I've tested about 60 cameras, but 1 or 2 with external mics. You might find those interesting. I'll put a link to that on the screen. Also a lot of flying, paragliding, paramotoring, wildlife, all kinds of stuff. But thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. Stay safe on the road, and hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.